Happy New Year to everyone! Welcome 2024. We have a big problem in 2024. There's so much food. Leftovers from all the gatherings and family togetherness. And so we don't want anything to go to waste. That's one thing that we should change in 2024, to not waste food. So, what I'm going to do this morning is prepare a new year. Well, it's not really new year like January 1, but we're almost there. We're beyond January 1. Let's prepare breakfast platter with all the leftovers. And I hope you learn a thing or two about this. It's really about creativity, innovation, and what you think is good for your family. So let's see, what do we have in the refrigerator. Okay, wow, lots of syrups. Oh, unhealthy, well, no sparkling drinks or wine for breakfast, but we've pretty much done a good job here. I don't know what this is. I think this is some kind of an herbal drink. Queso de bola. Ooh, what are these? We have shrimp. Maybe we'll take that out. What are these? Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? This is batuan. The Ilonggo. Mom, is this batuan? But yes, we have that. We have queso de bola. And what is this? Too many stuff. Merry Christmas. I think this is fruitcake. Maybe we'll slice some. Anyway, it's breakfast platter. Oh, we have cream. Now we need to clean up this refrigerator. We have some superfruit, dragon fruit juice. Lots and lots of, those Tupperware stuff that your grandmother or your mother still has. This is one of those. This is probably more than 40 years old, more than 50, I don't know. But they're still here, Tupperware. That's not an endorsement. What is this? We have still sparkling and still food here. Ooh, we have nilaga. Okay, maybe for lunch, but not now. What is this? Oh, we still have fried rice. Okay, let's take this out. Yeah, fried rice is good for breakfast. Hold on. There were 4 or 5 pieces of bread, American bread, in the refrigerator. So I'm toasting them in butter, slice them into pieces like this, cut the edges off so they're not hard, and then put butter and slice them like this. And let's see, That's how they look like. I just turn them over. Yes, why not use your hands as long as you don't burn yourself? Okay, they look really toasty brown. And look. The kitchen is crazy. There's tofu. Good morning, tofu. There's Titan. And here is Bella. And here is Tisoy. And where's Tabby? Tabby is, I think, upstairs. Mom is already out with her soft broom. And the dachshunds are not here. By the way, we are in the kitchen of my mother and sister, and we are actually spending some days here with family, and I'm cooking in Mom's kitchen. So We're not in Jensen, we're in Davao City. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so let me decide what to do with this. But I'll show you. I'll show you something. So never mind the kalat. Everything is kalat. But this is what I've prepared so far. Some leftover ham and cheese bread. So I sliced them. Some leftover sponge or cake. Actually, this was this long. But tofu, look at him. Look at him. Tofu grabbed the other half. Crazy boy. And then we have some small mangoes, which are really sweet. So I just put the some members of the family, like, you know, the seeds. And then we have some sliced cheese. I'm not sure what cheese is this, but this one is Emborg, something triangles. Some prunes, a few olives. I like olives, but you know, my kids don't like it so much, but I do like it. I think it's healthy. And should we still slice some queso de bola? Let's try that. Let's try that. So that's my platter so far. I'm going to put the bread here, but I'll put foil so that they don't get wet or moist by the juices of the mango. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog na mag-isa ka. Oo nga. So you can see what I'm doing there. So I just make this nice foil plate, just like that. So put it here. Make it a little bit wrinkled, just for style. Okay, so see, it's right here, and then let's wait. Yan. All right, everyone. I don't know if it looks pretty, but not bad, right? Maybe I should transfer the prunes to the middle. No, I think that's okay. All right. I actually still want to put cream cheese somewhere and jam. We'll see. Let's see. But I'll have to find jam. I opened the pantry. I saw that box, but it is high up there. Can I reach it? Yes, I can. But I'll have to do it slowly. Okay, let's figure this out. It's so high up there. The condiments are down here. And, you know, the spices are down here. And the eggs are here. But the jam is up there. Okay, we will be able to get that. Let me figure this out. Okay, good luck. Okay. Oh my gosh. First, okay, we remove this. No, we don't need this. Put it up here. Now, this is quite heavy. Oh, I did it. Oh, this is not even strawberry. It's a hoax. Fake news. Hindi ba lang siya strawberry? Ginawa lang pala yung boteng lalagyan. Oh my gosh. I put this back up there. I think it's easier. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Pag hindi mo kasi kusina, hindi mo alam. Nasa mga bagay-bagay. I'll find it. Okay guys, I think we're out of jam, which is perfectly okay. I also boiled some sweet potato. So what we'll do with this, I'll show you. Okay, isn't that pretty? Nice, huh? So, you wash your sweet potato very well like that. Oh, ganda. Okay, I have two more. I think the family will really be having a nice, and then you can actually put butter on this one, no? And then a third one. Yeah. So make sure you wash your sweet potatoes before you boil them. You wash them very well because they come straight freshly harvested straight from the soil. Okay, what's next? I will do fried rice. Actually, we have some fried rice left over. So I'll just refry that. And then I'll probably make scrambled eggs. For every large egg, you can actually put, is it a tablespoon or a teaspoon of milk if you want to. Somehow it makes it fluffier. Wow, you can tell it's such a sunny, beautiful morning. I opened the door, kitchen, just to let that cool breeze in. Okay, we're ready to do our scrambled egg. Okay, it's fried rice time. Put butter because butter is good. Ang tirang-tirang rice. Diba? Ito. Tirang-tirang rice. Sabi natin walang masasayang. Tira-tira din. Di ba meron pang ano? May fried rice pa, dagdagan. Walang nasayang. This is, what do you do with your leftover food in your refrigerator on New Year? No waste. Zero waste. The eggshells can go to your flower pots. Or your orchids, no? You can crush them. Oh, I have to put salt. And that's it. That's it. Pancit. In the fried rice left over. Tofu. See, the dogs are getting irritated by each other. Clean as you go. That's my motto. Drink coffee while cooking. That's my coffee. It's nice to put fish sauce. It's actually one of the secrets of good fried rice. Put fish sauce and a little sugar. So, just a little sugar. And they have just this small patis. And a little sesame oil. And then, I'll do the honors of opening sesame oil. Binibigyan. Then, I like cleaning as you go. Let's put this back. Done. Pari lang, iinit ko lang ito. Excuse me! Excuse me! Adadi. Okay, and then we will warm up. Dito ko na lang lulutuin. Oh, anak, can you bring this? Tarik. Lutuin ko na rin yung shrimp. You want shrimp? Hindi ko nagawa yung lalita pa. Uy! Salang. Pakinggan mo yung kanyang latest, ano ma? Saan ang aking ano? So, tira-tira! And there's Lola, Auntie I, and Mommy, and Dad, and Nikki. You like it? Good. With tea for Nikki. Wow, grabe ang sun. Fried rice and all the carbs. That's a leftover fish and leftover shrimp.